Drip drop rain on my head, drip drop rain on my head. Rain falls down on the ground, drip drop rain on my head. Drip drop rain on my shoulders, drip drop rain on my shoulders. Rain falls down on the ground, drip drop rain on my shoulders. Drip drop rain on my tummy, drip drop rain on my tummy. Rain falls down on the ground, drip drop rain on my tummy. It splashed on my head and my shoulders. Did you hear what I said? Rain splashed on my head. I am so bad. Drip drop rain on my head, drip drop rain on my head. Rain falls down on the ground, drip drop rain on my head.
Good morning, kiddos. A really welcome to all of you. Wow! April, hooray! Kiddos, rainy season is here.
Good morning, ma'am. Oh, it's rain.
But Tina, don't you know? July and August are the rainy months. So you must carry an umbrella when you go out.
It is going to rain for the whole of July now.
Yes, Anna. But why are you both so sad?
But we don't like rain. Rain, rain, go away. Come again another day. Little Anna wants to play. Little Tina wants to play. Rain, rain, go away.
No, children. There are so many good things about rain. Do you want to know how? Let me show you.
A cloud was moving happily in the sky. The peacock saw the cloud and said,
Why don't you rain? I will dance for you.
The fish in the pond said,
Please rain, I need more water to swim.
The farmer said,
Please rain, I will plant seeds for the next crop.
and finally Raju said,
If you rain, I will make paper boats and play with them.
The cloud rained in a shower of pitter-patter raindrops. The peacock spread its beautiful feathers and started dancing. The pond filled up and the fish became happy. The farmer started planting seeds. All the trees and plants got a new shine. Splish, splash, splosh. Raju and his friends had a wonderful time in the puddles. The cloud filled everybody's heart with joy. It moved on. All the children waved goodbye.
Oh, wow! Rain, rain, come again! Little children want to splish and splash. And all the nature wants to relax. Yay!
I'm glad that now you both like rainy season. But that's not all. Let us talk more about rainy season.
It's raining, it's raining, it's raining. Hooray! Splish splash! Rainy season is here. Thunder! Lightning! Dark clouds! together bring rain. Puddles to jump and play. Colorful rainbow, the band of 7 colors. Mushrooms, nature's umbrella. Yummy rainy season food. Tasty corn cob. Hot and healthy soup. Crispy and spicy fritters. Delicious chocolate milk. Rainy season accessories. Umbrella. Raincoat to keep us dry. Gum boots to keep our little feet clean. Rainy season creatures. Peacock, our national bird, loves to dance in the rain. Flying grasshopper. Tiny caterpillar. Spotty ladybug. Slimy snail. And green frog hopping in the rain. Let's have fun in the rain.
Okay, kiddos, let's enjoy this rainy season to our heart's content. Let's do some fun activities together again.
Whiteboard markers or window markers or poster colors can be erased easily. They can be used to keep children engaged during rainy days. Encourage our young artists to scribble whatever they want on the windows and wipe with a wet cloth later to clean up. Rains, paperboards and childhood. Yes, making paperboards and sailing them in puddles and floating them in the buckets when rain god does not oblige is the most refreshing and cherished activities of the monsoon season. So, let our munchkins be not deprived of this fun. Teach our little wonders how to make boards with paper or ice cream sticks. See them overjoyed in delight while floating their creation. And yes, rain brings happiness and smile, and so does the rain dance party. So give it a try, and don't forget to share your dazzling photographs with colorful umbrellas and raincoats. Bye bye. See you soon.
Children, how do you enjoy on a rainy day? What fun to go out on a rainy day, on a rainy day, on a rainy day. What fun to go out on a rainy day. It's raining, raining, raining. Birds are singing in the nest. It's raining, raining, raining. Frogs are hopping at their best. It's raining, raining, raining. Birds are singing in the nest. It's raining, raining, raining. Frogs are hopping at their best. It's raining, raining, raining. What fun to go out on a rainy day, on a rainy day, on a rainy day. What fun to go out on a rainy day. It's raining, raining, raining.